Be in the video.
Yep. I'm putting it in my...
No, this isn't the right one.
Wait. Let me put it in. Let me do it.
So you need a socket wrench and combination, and it needs to go on the bottom, not the top.
No, the bottom. Alright. Not right. No.
So, tell me what you're doing, Christian.
We're putting the nuts and bolts on all the tires so we can add them onto the front of the car.
The front of the car is called what? You remember?
The
The
Flip it over. That's like it. That's it. Alright. So tell me what you're doing.
So I'm just attaching before I put this board, I have to get some other components to make it sturdier. So it won't fall out like that.
So you're attaching the steering wheel
Yeah.
and you're putting the nuts and bolts in, correct?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna do it with my hand.
No. Do it the long way. The Allen wrench. Yep. Perfect.
Okay.
Now check the steering wheel to make sure it's not going to come off.
Alright, we found it, bro. Mr. Jones?